Just a quick short here on the Quicker Picker-Upper, the hard hat hauler. I'm kit bashing. Made up a floor here. I cut a little bit for the, it goes underneath the tail shaft of the engine, so the drive shaft to run over top of the floor and out the back. I had to cut a hole, and I cut it going down so it's not a hole, but it's, you know, drive shaft will float out of it. And I cut a floor for it and a firewall, and I glued it. Then I made these to go to that there, the length. Built that little box. Then cut these two side parts and that top piece there. I know I'm all over the place, ain't I? Here. I knew exactly where this was going to end. So, Joe Pegs. Imagine a fucking name, Pegs. So this has got to be flush with the back of the inside the cab. Then I had to put a little lip on it. I had to put a little lip on it because of this here. These two parts are a little bit taller. I know it sticks up a little bit, but I don't care. You catch all this shit that's falling off. They gotta find some seats yet too. I don't know what I'm gonna do for seats. But I don't know. For some reason, something told me I should show you this before I glue it in. Okay.